So let's dive in. Let's start with what everybody's interested in. Let's talk pricing. Obviously, you're here because you know something about the capabilities of Powtoon, or you've seen somebody else create something. But let's talk pricing. I like to get into it straight away because there's no point in you questioning it later. So obviously, like anything, there's monthly and annual plans. The annual's obviously a lot cheaper. Does it say somewhere there? 70% cheaper, 80% cheaper. About 80% cheaper to do it annually. So what do you get on your different plans, right? So obviously there's a free version. Let's go to the breakdown version here. There's a free version, but you're always going to get powered with a Powtoon sticker in the corner. When you go to export your video, it'll say created in Powtoon or something like that. You can do up to 3 minutes of HD and you're going to get 100 megabytes of storage, which is not a great deal, is it? But you're going to be able to export whatever you want, but it's going to say created in Powtoon. It's going to be branded and you're going to be limited to a certain time. Obviously, as we then step up, one premium export for the starter version for $16 a month. You're going to get a premium export and up to 5 minutes plus storage and the support and branding removed. Download it as an MP4 so you can upload it wherever you want, or you can upload straight away to there. And then going through it, obviously everything upgrades 5 and 10 minutes, unlimited and 20 minutes. And then if you're going to be an agency and do it for other people, you're allowed to sell the Powtoon to other people, right? So what is a premium export? Let's go here, right? A premium export means that you can export your Powtoon using the following features. Download to MP4 so you can keep it on your device or wherever you want to do it to share later, to upload to Facebook or whatever. Remove Powtoon branding. So there's a watermark. That's what we're saying. And there's an outro as well. So basically saying you can set up with Powtoon at the end of your video. Full HD quality. So the quality of the free version is probably a little less than, it says full HD versus HD. Privacy controls where you can set. So when you upload it to Powtoon, you can decide if it's in their main database and searchable, like YouTube shows it, or you can unlist it, like on YouTube where you can say don't let people find this, keep it private. So that's what the difference will be, is you're going to want to probably download something unbranded. That's the big difference, but you can do it 1 a month, 5 a month, or unlimited, depending on the pricing. Okay.